Hi, water is life and the main challenge to us is to reduce water waste. According to survey, water is wasted a lot in agricultural sector also due to stacking of unwanted water on the soil. Its fertility decreases and crop production reduces hence farmer faces a lots of loss. Thus in solution to all this we have bought our project Earthy Tech which provides water to soil measuring its moisture level and according to the amount of water needed by the soil or the crops. So this is our system that we are presenting. We used a microcontroller called Node MCU and one channel relay module, a soil moisture, an ultrasonic sensor for water monitoring and a motor under the water and a 5-volt DC supply. Here is our website which is running on our own server and it can be opened in any device that is in laptop, PC or Android. Here this laptop is used as the main server and in the phone we will operate. First we have to give higher threshold moisture level such as 10. Then we have to give the lower threshold moisture level that is 5. Now we see in both the laptop and Android the data is being updated. Here we can see 3 buttons and the soil moisture value and the status of motor is updated. Now as we click on the start button, we can see the motor gets start as the soil is very much dry and the soil sensor senses it and the water starts pouring on the soil. Now, as soon as the soil gets moisture level high than the threshold value, the sensor senses it and the water stops pouring on the soil. Now, as soon as we take off the soil moisture, it senses dry and water starts pouring on the soil again. Now, again when we put the soil sensor on the moist soil, it stops pouring water. Now we can see that our graph is being updated on our main server as because the water level has came below the previous one as the water is being poured on the dry soil. Now again when we take out the soil sensor meter, we can see it senses dry and the water starts pouring on the moist soil from the water level again. Hence, we can see that the graph is being updated again on the main server and it have came below the previous one as because the soil moisture value is increased. We can also see that the soil moisture level graph is being updated on both our Android device as well as on the main server that is on the PC. Now, if we click on the back button, we can see that the whole system gets stopped. And now, if we take out the soil sensor meter from the moist soil, it senses dry but still the water is not poured on the moist soil as because the total system is being stopped.